Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can reduce shipping costs on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Reddit where I found a guide that explained how you can reduce the shipping costs. So as you can see guys, this guy asked how to reduce shipping fee. It's only two items that I am getting and wanted to ship with the Europe tariffless line. So as you can see guys, here is an answer from this guy. Get rid of boxes or tags from the item, but other than that, there isn't much else to do. Shipping is hell expensive. Use code Discord5 for an extra 5% of the shipping. So it's happy haul now for a discount. Under it, you're gonna find this guy who says if there is shoes boxes, you could remove them to reduce the parcel size to some extent. But it seems that your parcel has been packed and the final shipping cost comes out. This guy said, I am shipping to Germany. How good is GDEMS or KREMS? Those are the only cheaper option I have. Don't use those for EU as it might be seized by customers or you would need to pay extra taxes. Go with DHL for EU tariffless. If you're shipping shoes, get rid of the boxes. If clothes, get them vacuum sealed. Also, if clothes, you could do simple packaging because box will add extra as they line are volumetric. Plus, shipping is expensive. That's why most of the people go up to around 4 kilograms, at least for EU. Shipping to Hungary for me was around 600 yen on 5.6 kilogram volumetric. So that's it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.